Okay, if you're running a small business, you know the daily grind of creating content. Well, today we're going to break down a toolkit that's designed to completely change that game. It's all about making AI actually work for you without all the guesswork. So let's jump right in.
Oh man, we have all been there. That blinking cursor on a blank page. It's pretty much a universal sign of frustration, right? Whether you're trying to write a social media post, a sales email, or a blog post, just getting started can feel like the hardest part.
And for a long time, you were kind of stuck with two pretty bad options. There was the old way, shelling out hundreds of bucks for a professional copywriter and then waiting around for days. Or there was the hard way, spending hours wrestling with AI by yourself just to get these weak generic results that don't even sound like you. Neither of those is a great path to growth, let's be honest. But what if you could just skip all that? What if you could get the quality of an expert with the insane speed of AI, but without the crazy high cost or that frustrating learning curve? Well, the answer really comes down to one number, 500. This is the key that unlocks that better way we're talking about. And that number stands for a complete library of 500 expertly crafted, totally done-for-you prompts. And you should think of these less as ideas and more like perfect recipes, or even cheat codes designed to get you exactly what you need from tools like ChatGPT. And that brings us to the actual toolkit itself, the AI Business Toolkit. The whole point of it is just brilliantly simple. It's not here to teach you complicated AI theory. Nope. It's just here to give you the exact words to type to get the exact result you want, instantly.
And the process could not be easier. Seriously. First, you just find what you need to do. Let's say you need a welcome email. Second, you copy the prompt. Third, you paste it in and just fill in the little bits in brackets with your own business info. Fourth, you hit enter. And that is it. Professional level content ready to go.
All right, let's make this real and see exactly how that would work. Okay, this is a perfect example. You just swap out business name with, say, Jen's Dog Bakery. Then target customer becomes health-conscious dog owners. Achieve outcome becomes give their pets healthy treats, and the common pain point would be something like worrying about artificial ingredients. You see, the prompt's structure does all the strategic heavy lifting for you. And the scope here is huge. This is not just a marketing thing. You've got prompts that cover every single corner of your business. We're talking growth, like sales and social media, content for your blog and online store, and even your core operations, like customer service, HR, and finance. So when you think about it, what you're really getting is like a digital on-demand team of pros. It's like having a marketing strategist, a social media manager, an HR consultant, and an expert copywriter all on call for you 24/7. And the price for that entire team? $17. I mean, just think about that. When you compare it to the hundreds you might pay for just 1 hour with one of those professionals, the value here is just staggering. But it actually gets even better, because this toolkit isn't just a big list of prompts. It's a whole system for transformation. And that's where this awesome bonus content comes in. It's called the 30-Day AI Business Challenge. And really, it's your roadmap. It doesn't just give you the tools, it gives you a day-by-day plan to actually use them and systematically upgrade every part of your business in just 1 month. And here's why it makes real change feel so achievable. Just look at week 1. You start by building your foundation. You're going to nail down your ideal customer, your unique brand voice, your elevator pitch. Every day is just a small, manageable win that builds on the last one. It turns this mountain of work into a simple daily habit. And, the ultimate goal here is to trade that constant feeling of stress and inconsistency for a powerful automated system, a system that works for your business around the clock, so you don't have to. And the impact on your time? Well, it can be massive. A business owner who's spending a full workday, 8 hours a week, just on content could slash that down to about 1 hour. That's 7 hours of your life back every single week. Think about what you could do with that time. So, when you put this all together, who is this really built for? Who's going to get the most out of it? Well, it's perfect for the small business owners who are wearing all the hats. It's for the freelancers who need amazing content like yesterday. It's for startup founders on a super tight budget. And honestly, it's for anyone who's tried using ChatGPT but just feels like they aren't getting those incredible results everyone talks about. At the end of the day, this is all about getting the power and the brain of a full-time expert team without that full-time expert cost. It's really about leveling the playing field so that small businesses can truly compete and win. So we'll end with this thought. Just imagine what you could create, what you could build, and how fast you could grow your business if that problem of the blank screen was just solved for good. What could you build then?